guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. When you do, you're automatically entered to win my 500 subscriber giveaway, so you might as well head over to my 500 subscriber giveaway video. Leave a comment with the palette you'd like to receive if you win and your Instagram handle. And this only applies to US citizens, so if you are not a US citizen, I am so sorry, but shipping is crazy expensive, and I'm sending you a palette, a blow dryer, and a curling wand, so yeah, I can't afford it. So please be a US citizen, because I don't want to have to be like, I'm sorry, but you lose. Thank you to Jennifer Metcalf, Rebecca Martin, and Paige Pagano for being the first people to comment on my last video. It means the absolute world to me when you guys show your guys' love and support. It is a free way for you guys to help me out, because not only does it help me know what you guys want to see, but it helps YouTube know what you guys want to see. All of your likes, comments, dislikes, subscribes, all of that helps me in the long run, because it lets YouTube know what you guys want to see, and then it'll start suggesting it more to other people, which means I grow, which means that we get closer to our next giveaway, which means that you guys have another chance to win something, and it means that we as a channel are growing and building a community together. And just know that if you comment, 95% of the time I will respond to you. It doesn't matter what the comment is, usually I will respond. So even if you just need someone to talk to, I'm here, girl, boy, whatever I'm here. Don't be afraid. Even if you're just like, hey, whatever, I will start up a conversation with you. I have been known to get 20 plus comments into a conversation with somebody on one of my YouTube videos. So feel free, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. I don't know why that didn't record, but we're going into the Jeffree Star Morphe palette, and we're going into the black. I don't know what's going on there, but you haven't missed much. I like literally dug into the black, drew this line, and drew this line. Okay, I'm gonna take this brown here, we're gonna try and blend it out as neatly as possible, but you know. Okay. I'm gonna mix the brown and the black together and start on this inner corner and start dragging it in. I'm just gonna kind of try and blend this edge without going up too high. I know it's already pretty dang high, but you know, like keep blending that until it looks the way we want it to. We might go back into this little guy and just kind of like okay. This is where it's going to get tricky, because after I cut the crease, I'm not sure exactly where I'm going from here, but I'm going to try. Okay, I'm going to take this little brush and blend out that edge. Okay, Okay. I don't know how it'll look yet, but I kind of want to go into that green. This might be a total mess up, and I might hate it, but I still want to try. So well, that's what you gotta do. You gotta just try. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of that brown again. Just kind of like fan it over that green. Hair that black just a little. Fan a little bit more of that green over top. I don't know if you guys are getting the full effect. And then I want to go into this. And I kind of want Tangerine Dream. I don't know how well that's going to work. We'll see. Let's spray this real quick because I feel like it would be way brighter. I need to go a little bit back into that green. So now I've lost it a little bit. Okay, yeah. Actually, I do like that. That's exactly what I wanted, I think. I'm going to do my other eye and my face makeup off camera, and I will be right back. I think before I go, I'm going to attempt to blend a little bit of this in the top here. A little bit of this one too. This and this. Alright. Like, super dumb. I don't know if any of that got on camera. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got our lashes on, we've got our other eye on, we have our face makeup on, and we are ready to finish the eye look. So, we're going to go back into this palette. We're going to take a mixture of the brown and the black. We're going to place it on the lower lash line. That. And now we're going to take the orange from this palette. I'm going to dabble into a little bit of that, mix with that, just a little bit. And kind of smoke out the bottom. All these mixed emotions we keep locked away, like stolen pearls, emotions we keep locked away from all the world. If you don't know that song, that's okay. Most people don't. I just grew up in the wrong decade. It's okay. It's okay. If if you do know it, you probably know it as like the song that plays in Kroger while you're shopping. We keep locked away. Okay, I want to do a lip, but I'm not sure which lip I should do. I'm thinking spice. I like it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs. Oh, hold on. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Remember to enter my 500 subscriber giveaway by heading over to my 500 subscriber giveaway video. Make sure you're a U.S. citizen, that you're subscribed. Leave a comment with your Instagram handle and the palette you'd like to receive if you won. I'm sweating a little bit. And that is all. That's all you have to do. Alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.